작은 섬마을의 한 병원. 의식을 잃은 채 회복 중인 환자가 말을 걸어왔고 그의 말을 알아듣기 위해 다가가는 남성. 환자는 갑자기 남성을 공격하기 시작하죠. 환자는 이내 움직임이 멎으며 그대로 죽음을 맞이합니다. 이 사건이 벌어진 그날 아침
This is Tom.
Shep Clark is missing.
보안관으로부터 실종 사건을 전해들었던 시장 톰.
Harbor master said he had him on the VHF and lost him. Disappeared.
Said there's a heavy fog settling in offshore, and he wants to issue a cancellation of operations until it clears.
하지만 지금 톰에게 중요한 건 이
Cannot close the port, not today.
섬마을을 홍보해줄 뉴욕타임즈 기자를 맞이하는 일이었죠.
I'm Tom Loftus.
Oh,
Or Tom.
nice to meet you, Arthur.
Yeah.
무사히 섬에 도착한 기자는
I was talking to the guy on the ferry, and he said something odd.
What was that?
He said bad things happen here.
이곳 섬 사람들이 믿고 있는 괴담에 대해 듣게 되었고
You know, Arthur, there is something about these seafaring towns, the superstitions, their tall tales.
톰은 홍보에 악영향이 갈까봐 적당히 포장하고 넘어가게 되죠.
I have marked all my favorite spots on the island.
그가 취재를 다니는 동안 부좌진들과 섬을 관광도시로 만들기 위한 회의를 진행하는데
Our peaceful little island town is a place for tourists to come with their families and relax.
Tell that to Shep Clark.
누군가 톰을 찾아옵니다.
This is a closed meeting, Wick. Thank you.
Shut it down. Shut it all down. It's starting.
그는 마을의 역사를 잘 알고 있는 토박이 위크.
No, it is not starting because there is no it.
미신을 부정하는 톰은
Wait, did something happen to Shep?
Fog took him.
No, the fog did not take him because we all know that Shep is sleeping it off somewhere.
Problem with that is Shep quit drinking 3 weeks ago.
괴담을 진정으로 믿는 위크와 대립하게 되고
Close the port. Shutter the businesses. Sound the siren. You refuse to accept our history, to accept the truth. And I've lived with that for years, but now it's gonna get people killed.
Looks like an outdated power grid. Looks like roads that need repairing. It looks like no Wi-Fi in the 21st fucking century.
시장으로서 섬 경제를 살릴 절호의 기회가 온 현재
The only thing that's going to get people killed here is a lack of infrastructure.
Well, that's because the island has lain dormant, but she's waking up. And that's when bad things happen. You think the fog out there is natural? No, it ain't natural. It's a haunt.
확인되지도 않은 낭설 때문에 기회를 날려버릴 순 없었죠.
Do you know what I think? I think there are some people who want to be miserable, and then they blame it all on a cursed island. I refuse, and I refuse to let you take this town down with you.
결국
Sound the siren, Tom.
의견을 좁히지 못한 채 대화가 끝나버리고 위크는 독단으로 사이렌을 울려버리게 됩니다.
You have no right.
I have every goddamn
Shut it down.
right.
Shut it down right now.
No, you keep it going,
God
right?
damn it, Wick! Please just give me a couple of hours.
We don't have that kind of time.
섬을 취재하고 있을 기자가 신경 쓰였던 톰은
All right, let's just talk it through. All right, Wick, I will listen to you for 5 minutes uninterrupted. I give you my word.
그의 이야기를 들어보기로 하죠.
I don't have all the information because this town has its secrets, but there's something rotten here. Now, it all starts with the quake. It means she's waking up, and that's when the terror starts. Here. 1846, they called it the fog that stole souls. Stage 1, the eyes turn white. Stage 2, loss of the 5 senses and delirium. Stage 3,
하지만
loss of erection. Stage 4,
Who the hell is trying after stage 2?
그의 이야기를 들을수록
maybe we're paid a visit by the remnants of doomed sailors.
What's a revenant?
Like a zombie.
Oh, no.
허무맹랑한 소리로밖에 안 들립니다.
Are you fucking kidding me? I don't even know what you're talking about. What the fuck is happening? I got the New York Times to send a report. Do you have any idea what one good write-up would do for us? This place is dying.
톰은 끝내 분노하게 되고
Wick, we could be the next Bar Harbor.
Ooh, fancy.
상황은 원점으로 돌아가게 되죠.
Why won't you let me lead this town?
I don't think you can lead.
Will you be able to forgive yourself if you're wrong and you have ruined this town's chance?
Will you be able to forgive yourself if I'm right?
그런데 그 순간 생각지 못하게도
Shep Clark. He's breathing.
셰비 발견되죠.
He's in stable condition, but not critical.
그렇게 셰베 상태를 보러 온 톰은
Caused a real ruckus today, Shep.
앞에서 본 대로 셰백에 공격을 당했던 거였습니다. 그렇게 눈앞에서 위크의 말이 진짜였음을 확인하지만
We wasted a lot of time today. You can't let these people get in your head, Patricia. You can't let fear win.
섬이 관광도시로 거듭나기 위해선 이 사실이 알려져선 안 됐죠.
Tom,
Yeah.
you okay?
Sorry, I'm a little distracted.
그리고 그의 계획은
What were you saying?
I was actually saying how much I love the island. I honestly don't understand why this place isn't Martha's Vineyard.
순조롭게 진행되는 중이었습니다.
Yeah. Wow. I thought maybe Bar Harbor, but wow, Arthur, I can't tell you how long I've waited to hear that.
그런데
I think your summer tourism season could be huge. I really do. And I think that the focus of my article is shaping
우연히 창밖을 보게 된 톰은
how a lack of modern amenities is.
안개가 마을을 잠식해오는 걸 목격하죠.
And I'm gonna write something that
I have to make a quick phone call.
집에 혼자 있을 아들이 걱정되어 전화를 걸어보는데 그 순간 정전이 일어납니다.
Hey, everyone. You know what? We're just gonna stay put. It's not safe to drive in this, especially after a couple of drinks.
안개의 위험성을 목격한 톰은 손님들이 나가지 못하게 막지만
Hey, Wayne. Hey, Wayne. Hang on for 1 second, okay? Hey, guys. You know what? Why don't we just hold on for a second?
갑갑했던 손님들은 집으로 돌아가고 싶어 했고
Because I can't have people driving.
I know how to drive in the fog, Loftus.
I know.
What's going on? Is something wrong, Tom?
No, of course not.
톰의 과민 반응을 이상하게 바라보기 시작하죠.
Hey, hold on.
Hold on. Hey. No, wait! There's something in the fog.
그런데
Fog is lifting, Tom.
다행히 안개가 그치며 사고로 이어지진 않습니다.
it's a nice town. You don't need the gimmick.
잘 진행되어 가던 홍보 기사가 걱정되기 시작하지만 걱정과 달리
Read it again.
New England's best kept secret.
Not for long.
Widow's Bay is the next Martha's Vineyard.
기자는 섬을 멋지게 보도해 주었고
This is what Widow's Bay should taste like.
그에 따라 관광객들을 받기 위한 여러 가지 사업에 힘을 싣게 되죠. 그런데 이번에도 위크가 해방을 놓고 있었습니다.
That's my livelihood, you son of a bitch! I am not a son of a bitch! I just got this place ready, and we're fully booked.
All right, Wick. Let's get you some coffee.
관광객들을 받기 위해 정비해둔 여관을
You can't let people stay here at the inn. The inn is not right!
위험하다는 말을 되뇌며 입구를 폐쇄하는 중이었죠. 위크가 연행되는데
Your mayor is a fool! He's harmless. Gotta get us all killed. Yeah, he doesn't care about it. He's selfish. He's a selfish fool!
끌려가는 내내 톰을 비난하기 시작했고
He's only doing it for the money!
Of course I'm not doing it for the money. I'm looking out for all of us.
Not one of us. He's a coward!
Fuck you dumb hick!
참지 못한 톰이 시민들에게 광역 도발을 시전해버립니다.
I didn't mean that. And I know you're all loyal to Wick, but that doesn't make him right.
그들을 진정시키던 중
A lot of bad things have gone down there.
But it doesn't make it haunted. I would never put anyone in danger.
Why don't you stay there?
미션이 들어오죠.
Great. I look forward to it.
그리고
Tonight. Guys, I have my son at home.
겁쟁이가 되어버릴 위기 속
Okay, I'll do it. If that's what it takes, I will stay there tonight.
미션을 수락할 수밖에 없었습니다. 그런데
You have to stay in the captain's suite.
The what?
Lost his mind, got his family with an axe.
Anything else?
The ungrateful Hortense Fitzgerald.
추가 미션들이
Ugly woman who fled her wedding, back through window and fell to her death.
미친 듯이 들어오기 시작했죠.
Oh, New Year's Eve, 1962 disaster. Yeah. John Reynolds' head in the dumbwaiter.
That clown killer of 51.
He should spend time in that crawl space.
톰은 차라리
Okay, I'll do it. But when I do, all this talk stops. Right?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
모든 미션을 완수하고 깔끔하게 인정을 받아내기로 마음먹습니다.
Thank you.
하지만 한 시민의 진지한 충고를 외면해선 안 됐죠. 그날 밤 여관에 도착한 톰.
What's that?
We want you to film it. They say it's the only way they'll know for sure.
증거 영상을 남기기로 하고
Give me the keys to the captain's suite.
괴담 속 방으로 향하죠.
Marie gave it a quick turnover today.
You don't bring the bags in for the guests?
그런데 여관 주인장조차
I'll be reachable at home if you need me.
Wait, you don't stay here?
이 장소를 꺼림칙하게 생각하고 있었습니다. 적막한 방안.
Welcome to Widow's Bed. There's so much to see here.
마땅히 시간을 때울 거리가 없었고 여관을 둘러보기 시작하죠. 술을 한 잔 들이킨 뒤
Ugly Hortons. Ugly Hortons. Ugly Hortons.
괴담들을 하나둘 검증하기 시작하는데
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come the fuck on!
그러던 중 미친 난이도의 미션을 마주합니다.
Not a chance.
잠깐의 휴식을 가지는데
Hi, Ruth. It's Tom. Just checking in on Evan.
여관에서 묵는 동안 아들을 맡아주기로 한 직원과 통화하던 중 어째선지 열려있는 커튼을 발견하죠. 그리고 복도에서 인기척이 느껴지고
Hello? Hello? Hello?
다른 투숙객과 마주하죠.
I mean, who are you? What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
The innkeeper didn't tell me anyone else would be here.
Does he usually announce guests to each other?
긴장이 한순간에 풀리며
I'm William.
I'm Tom.
You all right? You seem like you could use a drink. There's an honor bar downstairs.
No, thank you. I mean, thanks, but good night.
휴식을 이어가려는데 이번엔 TV가 말썽이었습니다. 그런데 기이한 현상들은 끝난 게 아니었고 윌리엄과 한잔 할 수밖에 없었죠.
You know, I've been to Widow's Bay before. For fuck's sake, it was nice to order a cappuccino for once.
Thank you. God, feels good to hear someone say that.
그와 이야기를 나눌수록
Well, that's a lot on your shoulders. I'm sure your constituents are excited.
You don't make it easy.
Wow. They must appreciate you some. They voted you in as mayor.
공포심을 잊어갈 수 있었고
I ran uncontested.
That's embarrassing, Tom.
Yes!
Saved by the neighbor. 1, 2, 3, 4.
분위기에 취해갈 때쯤
You know, just a lot of the times he would come home after a couple of drinks, spewing these horror stories about the island. I mean, shit, I was way too young to hear.
가슴 속 깊은 대화까지 나누게 되죠.
Listen, I know two things to be true. One, you're a great mayor. No. I know these things. And two, there's no such thing as ghosts. All right? There's no, what was it? No Hortons is going to appear in your window. You know, the killer sea captain, the New Year's party, the murder clown. I mean,
윌리엄의 진심 어린 응원에
you finish off their little checklist and show them who's in charge.
자신감을 얻은 톰은 마지막까지 미뤄둔 미션을 시도해 보려 합니다. 좁은 틈의 끝에 다다르고
I am in the crawl space.
그 순간
Hello?
인기척이 느껴지죠.
William? William?
Howdy, neighbor.
Why didn't you answer me?
Need some help in there?
What? No, don't come in. I'm coming out. Don't come in. Don't come.
아침을 맞이한 톰은
I locked the door myself. Whoever it was would have had to have had a key, Tom.
What?
자신 이외의 투숙객은 없었다는 소식과
Hold on.
혼자 술을 마시고 보드게임을 하고 있는 자신의 모습을 확인합니다.
He said his name was William.
그리고
Clown. That's who you got, huh?
위크가 윌리엄의 정체를 확인시켜주죠.
You saw something. You saw something. And you're still gonna let folks stay here.
하지만 직접 겪은 여러 사건에도 불구하고
Officers, you know there's something wrong with this island. You've seen it with your own two eyes now. You can call it off right now. No, I can't. It's not right to bring anyone here. You know it.
톰은 고집을 꺾지 않습니다. 게다가
What the hell is this?
조사 중 발견된 검은 곰팡이가
Mold. Oh, that's it. You must have hallucinated from exposure.
No.
Can be remediated in 72 hours, Tom.
톰이 겪은 기이한 일들에 대한 설명을 대체하게 되죠. 그날 이후 마침내 관광객들로 붐비게 된 섬마을. 기분 좋게 운전을 하던 톰은 길을 헤매는 듯한 여행객을 발견하죠.
There's no cell reception on the island.
Thanks.
Warning, it's not to scale. I'm sorry, I'm the mayor. My photo's on page 4.
톰의 신원을 확인한 그녀는
Well, that's fun.
Where are you headed? Can I offer you a ride?
톰의 차에 오르게 되죠.
There was a time we would have picked Vegas, but these days, a bachelorette in a place like this is a little more our speed.
You getting married?
No, just a bridesmaid. Man, if I lived here, I would go to the beach with a coffee and a crossword every morning.
그녀는 이 섬의 분위기가 마음에 든 듯했고
We're also hosting a sunset cocktails event after. I mean, if you and your friends are looking for some nightlife.
Tonight, the girls were talking about going to Barnabas Tavern. It's supposed to be a dive bar.
Yeah.
Do you go there?
Yeah, sometimes.
갑자기
Well, maybe I'll see you there then.
묘한 분위기를 만들어 버립니다. 그날 저녁 단장을 한 톰이 향한 곳은 여행객이 가려고 했던 선술집. 하지만 그녀가 오지 않자 쓸쓸하게 그곳을 나오는데 집으로 향하던 톰의 눈앞에 길을 잃은 듯한 여성이 나타나죠.
Excuse me, ma'am. Miss, do you need a ride? Miss?
어딘가 이상한 그녀로부터 온몸의 모든 감각들이 도망쳐야 한다고 부르짖고 있었죠. 그런데 톰의 시야에서 사라져버린 그녀. 그리고 곧 정신없이 그곳에서 도망쳐 나오게 됩니다.
You sure this wasn't an animal that did this to you?
No. What? Why? Does it look like an animal wound?
Not to me.
다음 날 출근한 톰은
What happened to your arm?
I got scratched by an elderly woman.
나이든 직원으로부터
Sounds like the sea hag.
The what?
Your scratch. Old fisherman's lore. You heard of it?
No, because I can't keep track of the amount of bullshit this island spews. No, please don't settle in. Rosemary, whatever weird tale you're about to tell me, I don't want to know.
어젯밤 겪은 일에 대한 괴담을 들을 수 있었죠.
Story goes, a hag targets lonely sailors and follows them home at night. She scratches you, and she gets some of your skin under her fingernails so she can track you down like a bloodhound. She's a trickster. Waits until she's got you alone, got you weak.
하지만 이번에도
I don't need to hear the rest of this. I don't have the time.
충고를 무시한 채 연례 행사를 진행하기 위해 떠납니다.
So here's to a safe and spectacular summer. I officially open the ocean.
연례 행사의 전통으로 시장에 입수가 진행되는데 그런데 그때 마녀가 혼자가 된 톰을 추적해왔죠. 그렇게
It's all right, buddy.
무사히 육지에 도착하지만 더 이상 무시할 수 없는 위기감을 느끼게 됩니다. 결국
So you gonna tell me what the fuck you're doing in my house?
위크를 찾아가 볼 수밖에 없었죠.
Have you ever heard of a hag? Specifically one that scratches you and then tracks you down?
Every sailor knows the story of the hag. Oh, he went to shore and met the hag. With just one gash betrothed they be. She followed him on land and sea. For if you let her pierce your skin betwixt her thighs, your final sin.
I don't understand. How do you die?
She crawls into your bed and sits on your face.
하지만 또다시 농담 같은 그의 말에
I can't believe I let you into my head again. Damn it.
Wait, Tom,
떠나려 하는 톰.
find a chest. Lock yourself in it from the inside. Her scratch paralyzes you. You'll get tired. By tonight, you won't be able to lift a finger. Now, you stay in there for 72 hours.
그런데 그날 밤
Some lady named Marissa called and said that she's going to the Driftwood now if you're free. I could go to Sean's house to just play a game with some friends or something if you're out of the house.
아침에 길을 헤맸던 여성 머리사가 톰에게 연락을 해왔고
So do you go out on a lot of dates as, you know, the mayor?
Well, not since Kathy and I split. It's not a large dating pool.
이야기의 흐름 때문에
She passed away.
사별한 아내의 이야기를 꺼낼 수밖에 없었죠.
I'm sorry.
Oh no, it's fine. It's fine.
I can't imagine what that must have been like all on your own.
그런데 머리사는
To just lose someone like that.
자연스럽게 스킨십을 했고
Oh my God.
What?
I have sunset cocktails.
Do you have to go?
꺼림칙해진 톰은 자리를 뜨려 합니다.
Did you want to come?
그런데
Is there somewhere else we could go? It's just, this is nice. I'd love to keep talking. Maybe we could go to your house.
부담스러울 만큼 적극적인 머리사.
I'm sorry. Is that weird? I swear I don't usually invite myself over to a man's house.
No, of course. It's just tonight's not the best.
그녀를 밀어내고 집으로 돌아오는데 누군가가 톰의 집을 방문하죠.
Hello?
Hi, it's me.
How did you know where I live?
Someone from your office told me.
모든 정황이 그녀를
Aren't you going to let me in? Can we just talk?
No, I know what you are.
마녀로 의심할 수밖에 없게 만듭니다.
Oh, that was humiliating.
마녀의 방문에 대비하는데
Why are you so groggy?
톰의 눈앞에
I thought you went to work.
사별한 아내가 나타났고
Not yet.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
그렇게 마녀가 모습을 드러냅니다. 온 힘을 쥐어짜 도망가 보지만 멀리 도망갈 힘조차 없었죠. 그런데 위크가 톰을 구하러 와줬죠.
I don't know. You just survive.
마녀가 나타나기 며칠 전
Can I ask you about it? What? The girls that died here?
톰의 직원 퍼트리시아는
I was almost one of them.
어릴 적 겪었던 어떤 사건으로 인해 트라우마를 겪고 있었지만
It started with the calls, weird breathing and hang-ups, and then one night I was alone.
Did he come to your house?
The boogeyman?
그녀가 겪은 건 이 마을의 괴담이었고
I've heard it 50 times. I mean, how many times? No, they even checked the phone records and they prove she never got the calls. That's right. 25 years she's been telling this story. She'll tell anyone who will listen. It's honestly so pathetic.
그녀의 동창들은 증거가 없는 그녀의 말을 허언이라 여기며 무시하고 있었죠. 자존감이 떨어져 있는 그녀 앞에 자기계발서 하나가 눈에 들어옵니다. 퍼트리샤는 책이 알려주는 방법들을 열심히 따라가 보는데
Feeling like you could die tomorrow and no one would notice. But the right party can change that.
The perfect hostess.
Suits confidence. Effortless and elegant.
책은 파티를 주최해보라는 솔루션을 제시했고
Rosemary, here are the supplies. And Dale, you're gonna need a turntable, because you're gonna DJ.
마침 시에서 주최하는 선셋 칵테일 행사에 사활을 걸게 되죠.
Okay, so we're gonna put the floral arrangements up here. It's like a catering, which I'm thinking, but kind of.
그때 동창들이 들어오고
Hello! So I'm not sure if you heard, but I'm throwing a party here tomorrow night.
Do you mean the municipal event?
Yeah, Chris, the city's sponsoring it, but I'm the chair and it's my party, so you're more than welcome to come.
용기를 내 초대 의사를 전하지만
Everybody's going to Bill Rooney's birthday at the Elks Lodge tomorrow.
Oh, Bill's having a party. Well, that's actually a relief, because what with all the tourists, I was worried that we'd have to turn people away at the doors.
Think you'll be okay?
굴욕감만 얻고 돌아서게 됩니다. 결국
Call Glenn. Tell him Bill Rooney's big birthday tonight is canceled.
자신의 파티에 올 수밖에 없도록 만들죠.
Listen,
그런데
I'm a little worried you're putting too much into this thing. Might I suggest a different headpiece?
Rosemary, I don't need your negativity right now. Just be supportive.
공들여 준비한 파티는 직원들과 노인들만 참석한 상황.
Oh, I see them. They're up the top of the stairs.
그런 와중 동창들이 도착하고 억지로 분위기를 살려보지만
Affected by male pattern baldness, come see how we do it.
Why is there an ad?
I don't have premium.
짜게 식은 분위기에 사람들은 하나둘 떠나게 되죠. 그 순간 관광객들이 찾아오고
Let's get these bachelorette shots!
파티 분위기를 되살려 놓습니다.
Crab cake?
This is delicious.
분위기가 무르익고
Punch is served!
펀치를 한 잔 걸친 사람들은 환한 표정으로 파티를 즐기게 되죠. 그렇게 책이 지시하는 대로
As I look around this room at friends old and new, I feel grateful, for there is always time to change the course of history. And tonight, tomorrow starts today.
파티가 계속됩니다.
Let's go down to the cove for the bonfire. Let's go, Patricia. Yeah, just get some more punch. Come on. What's your problem?
I didn't understand one word of that speech.
그리고
Finally off duty?
No, I had a noise complaint.
Sorry, I guess people are having fun.
신고를 받고 도착한 보안관의 질문을 받고 나서야
What the fuck are you doing?
이 파티의 진짜 모습을 깨달을 수 있었죠.
Why didn't you say anything?
You told me to be supportive.
What have I done?
충실히 따랐던 자기계발서는 악마의 책과 같은 모습이었고 퍼트리샤는 그제야 사람들이 어디로 향했는지 불안해집니다. 마을의 괴담의 정체는 무엇이고 사람들은 그 존재로부터 무사히 살아남을 수 있을까요? 애플 TV 드라마 위도우스 베이의 저주 1에서 4회까지의 내용이었습니다. 결론부터 말씀드리면 정말 재밌게 봤는데요. 역시나 IMDb 8.3점으로 평론가들의 호평을 받았고요. 클리셰를 세련되게 활용하여 미친 몰입감을 주었던 작품입니다. 위도우스 베이의 저주는 애플 TV 홈페이지와 안드로이드용 애플 TV 앱에서 시청하실 수 있음을 알려드리며 구독 한번 부탁드리고 물러가겠습니다. 감사합니다.
누구냐 너? OTT. 너는 계획이 다 있구나. 허위가 계속되면은 그게 관리인 줄 알아.
왜 또 손잡이를 어이라 그래요? 어이. 너를 돌리려고 하는데 손잡이가 빠졌네. 이런 상황을 어이가 없다 그래요.
어이? 어이가 없네, 개새끼. 아가리 또 고자이마스.